Hello everyone. So we have this very interesting question from algebra today. And most of the students got this question wrong. So I thought let me share it with you. So we need to find the value of x from this equation. Let's write the equation. The equation is square root of 4 minus 11x is minus x plus 2 is equals to 0. Now we can rewrite this equation. We can rewrite it as square root 4 minus 11x is equals to x minus 2. I transposed x and 2 on the right hand side. Now to remove the square root, I can do square on both the sides. So let's do square on both the sides. If I do square, what I will get? I will get 4 minus 11x. On the right hand side, we can use the algebraic identity, that is a minus b whole square, which is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So let's use this identity on the right hand side. This is x square plus 4, that is 2 square minus 2ab. Minus 2ab will give us minus 4x. Okay. So now we can see 4 is on both the sides, positive 4. We can cancel it out. Further solving it, we will get x square plus 7x is equals to 0. Now we can take x as common and we will get x plus 7 equals to 0. Solving this further, we can get either x equals to 0 or x equals to negative 7. Okay. Now, using these two parts of the equation, we got x equals to 0 or x equals to negative 7. Now comes the most important part. Generally, after this step, students write that the value of x is 0 or x equals to negative 7 without checking whether x equals to 0 and x equals to negative 7 satisfies the equation or not. So let's check for x equals to 0. Let's substitute x equals to 0 in this equation. If we substitute x as 0, what we will get? We will get under root 4 minus 11 times 0 minus 0 plus 2 equals to 0. If we solve this further, this will be square root of 4 minus 0 plus 2 equals to 0. Square root of 4 is 2 minus 0 plus 2 equals to 0, which gives us 4 equals to 0. Now, definitely 4 is not equals to 0. That means x equals to 0 will not work for this equation. Now, similarly, we can check for x equals to negative 7. X equals to negative 7. Let's substitute x equals to negative 7 in the equation. This will give us 4 minus 11 times negative 7 minus 7 plus 2 equals to 0. If we solve this, what we will get? We will get square root of 81 plus 7 plus 2 equals to 0. Square root of 81 is 9. 9 plus 7 plus 2 equals to 0, which gives us 18 equals to 0. Now, again, 18 equals to 0. Definitely, this is not correct. That means x equals to 7 is also, negative 7 is also not the solution. What does that mean? That means we have no solution. Neither x equals to 0 is working for us, nor x equals to negative 7. Both are not the solution. Both are not the solutions. Then what is the solution for x? Then there is no solution. There is no solution for this equation. There is no solution for this equation. This is our answer. So that's why most of the students get this question wrong, because there is no solution and they write x equals to 0 or x equals to negative 7. So this is our final answer, no solution. So if you like this question and you understood it well, please like the video and share the channel with your friends. Thank you.